Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about how to start SEO career on freelancing sites and earn online through this skill. Before start the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell notification icon button. You never miss any update from our channel. How to become SEO freelancer in 2022. This is our topic. If you have not spent much time on the internet, and particularly if you have ever written online content, you have like to come, this skill is really good for you and you can earn lots of money from this skill. And of course you can earn good revenue. What is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization. It is part of a larger digital marketing strategy and refers to optimizing content published on the internet so that user can easily find that content when they use a search engine. What are the tasks of an SEO freelancer? An SEO freelancer creates and optimizes content on the web. In particular, they employ various strategies when creating that content so that it's more likely to show up as a top search result. Their ultimate goal is to the people to the web page in question. Keyword research. In its simplest form, keyword research is the process of identifying of queries that determine which words or phrases people are using. How do you become an SEO freelancer? If you want to become an SEO freelancer, you are in good company. This is a popular choice for a freelancer and an in-demand field, and any place with a website wants its web pages to show up on the top search results. It can make or break their businesses or income stream. Create a portfolio of your work. On references and review. Create a website. Use social media. Obtain the right SEO tools to your toolkit. Hope you understand. Like our video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button. You never miss any update from our channel. We'll meet on next video tomorrow at the same time. Thanks for watching.